So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, open up your crypto account. Once you're on your crypto account, go down to the magnifying glass at the bottom and press on that right there. Then once you're on this screen, the Discover screen, go all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Once you're on the crypto screen, go all the way down to where it says ticker symbol ADA or the Cardano coin and press on that right there. Once you're in this screen, simply press on buy right here. Once you're in this screen as well, you can now select whatever amount of money you want to purchase this with. So if I have $5 in my account, I'll press on $5 right here. I'll press on continue, and basically to confirm this purchase, simply press on confirm order, and that is how you guys can buy Cardano coin or ticker symbol ADA in Canada using Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.